first. Huh? I'll walk first. But still, I'll open mine.
So you guys had how many gifts?
Huh?
How many gifts did you have to open?
2, 3.
And how much did everybody else
This is
get?
my third. 18.
18.
What the crap's a UMP?
Just read.
Boys, let's play a game. You're about to have some fun roaming the yard, looking silly, trying to find clues to the next location. This is your first clue, which you have opened separately, but the remainder of the clues I know. You'll work as a team to solve.
Take it with you.
We have bonfires down below. Sometimes this gets left on. Make sure we always the light.
Okay, well, what's there?
We're just keeping our shoes clean.
Okay.
Why can't we? It's your Christmas present.
But you don't have to hide it.
What's the clue say?
Why over here? So it's not over here.
It's over there.
Small?
Yeah.
That's what they're looking for, is small.
Base of the tree. It's an envelope.
A small envelope?
Yeah.
Okay.
Real?
Christian was in there the whole time.
All right, bring it over here. Read it.
I'm wearing my school shoes.
Why don't you put all of them when you find them in that bag? Just fold them up small. Courtney, go to the house.
Open the metal screen door on this building to find your next clue.
Go to the house.
That.
Let me see that camera.
Go. I'm not listening to the whining.
Did Christian hear what you said?
Okay,
Christian, did you hear it?
What does have MMQ?
I don't know. Did you read it loud enough for Christian to hear?
No. It says open the metal screen door on this building to find your next clue.
All right, what do we have that has a metal screen door?
The barn. No.
Jonathan.
The little barn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
All right, Jonathan, hop in.
Get in, buddy.
We're gonna walk behind the boys, or we're gonna ride behind the boys walking.
Nope, you guys.
That's
guys-
not fair.
You guys are walking.
I'm not doing it. I'll be. It has to go.
Growing up. This is a rite of passage. I remember my scavenger hunt
Yeah.
growing up. All right, boys, find it.
It's right here. You won't let me get in. Here. No.
Yep.
I'm hiding here.
You what?
Wait, I have to read it.
Christian, come on.
You ready to do some more walking?
No. The next location is near a green metal object. Chances are a semi truck may honk at you while you're looking.
What?
What is it?
That wagon.
Get real shoes on.
Christian, go help
Oh,
Cameron.
I don't have any nice shoes. I don't have any dirty shoes. Why?
Christian, just enjoy it.
I can't.
Shouldn't have to move it.
It's easy enough to find without moving it. That's what you think, Cameron. I found it first.
Cameron,
Second.
stop. Where would be a good hiding spot that I wouldn't have to touch anything to hide it?
I don't know. Definitely not in freaking top.
Go down on them bricks.
I've already looked.
All of them?
Man, shut up. Don't talk. Crap. Ow, that's gonna hurt.
You see it?
Yeah. Ow, God.
Here.
Okay, well, have Cameron get these stuff.
It soaks. Yeah. You're gonna read it? Cool.
All right, grab the bag.
What's it say? I can't hear y'all.
I'm not reading it out loud.
Yeah, read out loud.
side by side, we would be doing donut.
What to say?
If we were on the side by side right now, we would be doing a donut around this tree, and it says TMY on the back. What the heck?
Which tree?
The donut one.
Which one?
The one down at the fire pit.
Why you say that?
Because that's what we usually do.
What's the rest of the sentence say?
That's what it says, he said.
Where's Christian walking?
You're going down there.
Christian,
He's going the right place.
where are you going? Wait for your partner.
You were heading. You're
I
heading the
went
wrong
down
one.
to that one down there where I do donuts.
Yeah. That's why I said on use caution. What to say?
What's it say, Christian? You got a teammate.
Well, he doesn't have clue 5 there. The next clues were pounds of candy fell out of a cat hanging from a tree.
Christian's got to follow him.
Follow Christian.
Why did it say?
Pounds of candy fell out of a cat.
For your birthday.
Remember for your birthday?
Yeah, it is. It's actually in the big tree next to it.
Yeah, that's right here.
That's a good memory. It took me a minute to get that.
I thought it meant like
I had to look at pictures to remember what the pinata was. I couldn't remember if it was a cat or a dog or what. You found it? You found it?
Now this one says W something A.
Okay, worry about the actual
The
word.
last clue is in a vehicle. To get to it, you need to open a top door. Then 2 doors that swing out. What?
What would that be?
Durango?
Durango has a open up and then swing out?
Here, Cameron.
Oh, that's the excursion.
Yeah.
Let me hear it.
You guys want to ride?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to. Meet you there.
I hope you have them all.
Papa, I named her eggnog because on the back of her smells like eggnog.
You got this, Cameron.
Chris is
Christian,
there
go
for
through.
support.
Open all the notes and put them in order for him, Christian.
This is clue 1.
He's moral support. It's like our relationship. I'm moral support. You're the doer.
Stop messing with me.
Christian, help him.
I'm poking with the stick. I'm poking his brain.
On the back of her. Oh,
Okay.
look, there's blocks. There's blocks down there. Where are blocks? The more you play with it, wait, what?
Got them in
Put
order.
them on the bottom.
Write all the letters on the bottom.
Eggnog. Super.
These letters got to correlate with these.
Stop touching me with sticks and things like that, Christian.
Stop.
I'm oiling up his cat.
Stop. He's trying.
Okay, write the first letters.
I don't know what to do.
Get the clue too.
That means I don't even know what to
Right
do.
here. UMP on the bottom block.
Up.
What?
Mhm.
T-I-X-E spell.
No, the bottom.
It says T-I-X-E.
Or anywhere.
In the
Okay.
bottom box.
That's fine. Okay, so let's solve the first word. What's U equal?
Me?
Look at the.
Why?
How do you get that from?
Find you and see what you
G.
I think
Okay.
it's
say. Put a G there.
Put a G there.
Right here.
Yep.
Right above it.
Can I do it, Cameron?
What's M? Yeah, you both do half.
You won't let me do anything.
Christian, you whined.
Because I couldn't do anything, Mom. What do you expect?
Okay, Christian, just watch.
Go and then. Exactly. You won't let me do anything.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
I hope so.
Told you I wanted to see him mad.
Now when they're overly excited, we can go back and watch.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going to be really excited.
Oh,
Might as well go search the woods until I
Is this clue 2?
What?
Is that
Yeah.
clue
Search
2?
the woods
Okay.
until I find a dirt bike.
Show Cameron and Kristen the
Here,
video.
look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing Q is gonna be.
Mom, come look at this. Yep.
And I'm certain you got this idea from Christmas Story, right?
No.
Yeah.
From
Well,
you guys.
this, huh?
From you guys.
Or from us. This part I've
Never
never
had this
done
happen
a
to you,
decoder.
Eric. Eric, this never happened to you.
This
I've
is it.
never done a decoder.
Not a decoder,
The
no.
decoder idea came from
But
the
yeah,
kitchen.
he's gonna write out. It's gonna say, "Be sure to drink your Ovaltine."
And I'm gonna, and the other one is going to
What
say,
even is Ovaltine?
"You'll shoot your
like
eye
chocolate.
You'll
out."
shoot your eye out, kid.
Don't shoot
We
your
got
eye
you a
out.
BB gun. Wait, never mind. Psych. You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
Don't shoot your eye out my face.
Wouldn't that be cool if this led you to a BB gun now?
Suck.
Let,
I'd be shooting every day.
Let Christian do the last one or two.
These two.
Yeah,
S
or one or two of them.
There's
What's it say so far?
Yeah, exactly.
What's it say so
Z
far?
B Y C W E V F U.
Christian.
I don't know what to do. That's just the alphabet on there. I don't know what it is.
You will when
You
Cameron
will.
lets you look at
Do
it.
you want to do these now, or do you want
Finish that one, Cameron.
What's it
And then let
say?
Christian do the
What's
rest.
it say?
look in? Go look in.
And what?
I'm guessing this is gonna be the.
There's a good chance of that.
Yep. Look
Critical
in
thinking
the.
right there.
Yep.
I like that.
Go ahead and just solve the whole thing without the clues. You got this.
G. No.
The garage.
I'm looking for
The garage.
If there's a G, we're
Your
lucky.
turn, your turn.
Let Christian do the last one.
Now you gotta look for clue 4. It's right here. Oh, we waters. You have to write it underneath that.
Daddy, doesn't it smell like eggnog?
TWY.
Smell her back.
T equals.
Smells like nasty sweat.
No, smells like eggnog.
Wait. T. We already did T. Oh, T? Yeah, that's a T there. W.
The beauty. TW. Daddy, use the smallest. The cutest. Never say no.
You're saying
Brian
that
eraser.
Never say die.
Yep.
No.
Okay.
I know these kids.
What's next? What's the next one? That's a C. No, that's an E. Look, see that little circle?
What clue did you use to get to C?
That's an E.
A E?
I will stab you. See that little?
So it's a W. Where are you seeing a W from?
Nope. CWY.
T.
The T goes right there.
The
'cause
T. Okay, this H is
whatever
that T,
the
right?
T equals is right
Okay,
there.
put the T there so we know what it is.
Eggnog.
And T is what?
Oh, no.
No, the clue is
Oh.
T.
You know what I've been playing?
T is H.
Yep.
Forget what it's called. It's for this thing.
What's
you get
H?
to press the pedal, and guess what? You get to do air rides, and you hold the brakes,
no
and
H.
then it does the air ride, and then you
T.
can ride, and guess
Yeah,
what? I got first place 3 times. in a row.
He
Okay.
told you that 5 minutes ago.
Yes, I know.
You gotta do. You gotta do this. You gotta do this.
Hold down this, and you-
Okay, find the next clue.
Okay, clue 5 is over here. Is that an E?
No. So fuck.
That's nice.
I don't know what they did. Nothing's lining up.
Exclamation mark. Oh, L.
Something.
Well, exclamation mark is right there. So where do we put that at? Wait. Oh.
You guys are off character.
An exclamation always goes at the end. Exclamation mark is right there. So that means A
Hey,
first.
look. We wrote down LOL.
They're not gonna solve this.
No.
So A.
part.
It's easy for me. A.
They could have been
What's
working
with
on
A?
it while they were watching
Exclamation.
Yes.
That is not right. That
We
first,
weren't allowed to open the first clue.
I know.
Oh well, it's last.
We wanted to do this all together.
Eraser's gonna be
This
gone by the
sucks.
time we're done.
Okay, give it to Cameron.
I want.
Okay, Cameron, give it back to Kristen. Let him try. Let him try.
LOL.
I don't know.
You know what I thought?
it's just the clues are not lined up.
Okay. Go look in.
No.
Okay, what's the?
GGRRAGE.
No, that's not how you.
So that is the second letter of the last word.
Second letter.
Yeah, the exclamation.
How do you spell that in a letter?
O. L. Okay, where's the exclamation?
Exclamation plus
A.
exclamation.
Where's the O?
No. Oh, it's right there. M.
M.
Mark.
Where's the L?
Mark a spot.
P.
Mark the spot.
Okay.
I mark the spot.
So where's the last clue?
Like a spot.
Amp. LOL.
I see your
Clue
phone.
2.
It's an
Need
amp.
clue 6.
It's an amp. LOL.
Is that it? All right. What's the letters on the back?
W
This.
J A.
There you go.
Hey, what you doing over there?
W-J.
It could spell jaw. LOL Woodja.
Okay, where's the W?
Right there.
Where's the J?
Mamma mia, mamma mia.
Oh.
Hello.
Where's the A?
Exclamation.
At the end of the sentence. Look at that.
Crap's an amper. Camper. That's supposed to be a C.
What does it say?
Okay. That works.
Is it inside of it?
Yep.
I don't know. You gotta look.
Make it. Oh, hey, wait. Go back. Go out the. Go out the other way. We'll go.
No. God, no.
We'll open the gate in the back.
What? Let me guess. This one's mine.
Yes. What's that?
It fell right on my shoulder.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh. Is this 100 or 80?
80.
80,
Jesus.
100.
Is this like the size of the Suzuki?
It's all over there.
Oh, this is light. Daddy, this is very light.
But you acted.
Yes, I was
Why are you crying?
so excited.
Why?
Daddy, I fell over when I saw that.
Oh, is that?
Well, let's see you get it out of here and see if it starts.
Is
Better.
this best ever?
Yeah, could I write it today?
No.
Yeah,
There's
wait
another
till summer.
scavenger hunt to find the thing to make it start.
Wait, there's no.
I'm joking with you.
Scavenger hunt for the Kickstarter?
We should have done that.
Daddy, can we go inside now?
Now will you
Yes.
trust us next
Yes,
time?
yes, I will. So,
I'm gonna go upstairs while they're doing this
Okay.
until they get good at it.
Get on?
I just crashed too many.
You crashed? Did you pick it up?
I don't know. I haven't tried yet.
Try it.
I barely hurt myself.
Pick it up.
Could I turn the choke off though?
Pick it up, Cam.
It is on. Oh, geez, that's kind of light.
There you go.
That is light.
All right.
Although I might need help turning.